Contempt of court places restriction on which fundamental right? The prohibition of traffic in human beings and beggar comes under if the person is refused freedom of movement, it means denial of which of the following state government has prohibited use of the word Harijan and replaced it with Anusuchit Jati in official work? A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed or returned by Rajya Sabha within maximum number of M.P.s from backward class community are elected from which state? The first no confidence motion moved into the Lok Sabha after independence was in the year which of the following is not a standing committee of the Parliament? What is the minimum age for appointment as a governor? How many times the President of India can seek re-election to his post? Who among the following can attend meetings of the Union Cabinet? Who among the following has the final right to sanction the expenditure of public money in India? Under whose advice the President of India declares emergency under Article 352? The maximum duration for which the Vice President may officiate as the President is salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court are drawn from the in whom are the powers of judicial review vested in India? The first law commission was set up in The concept of judicial review has been borrowed from the Constitution of by which amendment was the power of the Lok Sabha to amend the Constitution affirmed. The constitutional bill regarding delinking of religion from politics was the anti-defection law was enacted as early as 1979 in the first leader of opposition to be given the status and rank of a cabinet minister was which language was added as the 15th official language to the 8th schedule of the Constitution. The Attorney General of India has the right to audience in which of the following is not a Panchayati Raj institution?